All right, I'm here at another property. Let's go inside and see what kind of house we are buying now, because we buy houses fast and we buy them for cash. Let's see what we got. Hey, it's Dillon again, back with Buyer Louisiana. We want to help you get rid of that property you want off your hands. So first and foremost, go to homebuyerlouisiana.com. Let us know how to get in touch with you. Let us know about the property you no longer want, and we will be in touch ASAP. Right now, I'm at a property in Mid-City. It's a double. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath on each side. I love Mid-City area here in New Orleans. So initially, kind of walking through, I'm like, okay, this place seems like, not so bad. I mean, we've got some slopes going on in the floors. I'm assuming that's going to be old joist. It gets kind of dark here in the back, so you may not be able to see me too well. I won't go all the way back to the dark, as everything's boarded up. We've got broken windows. We've got boards on most of the windows. You can kind of see here, there's just a little daylight. But yeah, there's definitely issues with the floors. They're going to have to probably rejoist, level this whole entire thing. And hey, what other way to get to know your neighbor than just a big old hole in the wall, right? There's some damage on the exterior. It's super aged. So I am going to assume that the roof has also got some damage, because I do see some marks on the ceiling. We've got light fixtures hanging off in here. But to be totally honest, I was like, not so bad. Well, come over kind of expecting the same thing on the other side. And, oh man, that's a lot different. Oh yeah. Big hole going on here. Big, massive mess. I mean, I don't know if you can see from the camera, but from here to there, I mean, that sucker just slopes far down. So, yeah, lots of damage going on here. It gets super dark on this side. But if you have a property that's in super distressed condition, and you just don't have the time or the funds or the resources, or you just don't want to deal with it for whatever reason, whether you're a tenant, whether you're the landlord, whatever it may be, contact us, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Let us know about that property, and we'll be in touch with you very soon.